The Hisense Canvas TV 2025 model is a lifestyle-focused television designed to compete with products like Samsung Frame TV. It's built to look like a piece of art when not in use, and its key features reflect this focus. Here is a breakdown of the key aspects of the Hisense Canvas TV 2025 based on available reviews. Design and art mode. Aesthetic appeal. The TV is praised for its design, which is slim and comes with an ultra slim wall mount for a flush to the wall installation. It includes a thick magnetic frame with other frame styles available for separate purchase. High Matte display. A standout feature is the High Matte anti-reflection screen. This technology is highly effective at reducing glare and reflections, which is crucial for making the TV's art mode looking convincing. Art mode. When the TV is off, it can display a selection of preloaded artwork, around 300 pieces of free or personal photos. It uses a motion detector to turn the screen off when no one is in the room, saving power and enhancing the illusion of a static artwork. Cost-effective alternative. A major selling point is its price, which is generally lower than its main competitor, the Samsung Frame TV. Picture and sound quality. HDR performance. The TV performed reasonably well with standard dynamic range HDR content, especially in bright rooms. The QLED panel with quantum dot technology provides good color and a high definition picture. Filmmaker mode, while not perfect, offers a more accurate color profile for HDR viewing. HDR struggles. Reviews consistently point out that the Canvas TV struggles with high dynamic range HDR content. The TV has poor black levels and low contrast, making dark HDR scenes appear grey or even greenish. Gaming. Despite its lifestyle focus, the Canvas TV has surprisingly strong gaming features. It supports a 144Hz refresh rate with variable refresh rate VRR technology, which is great for PC gaming. Sound. The built-in 2.0.2 surround sound system is described as loud and clear, but it lacks the refinement and depth that a dedicated soundbar or external sound system would provide. Smart TV and connectivity. Operating system. The TV runs on the VIDAA smart system in some regions, while others, particularly in the US, use Google TV. Connectivity. It offers a good number of connection options, including HDMI, EARC for simplified audio setups. Smart features. The TV includes built-in voice control, Alexa and VIDAA voice control, and is compatible with Google Assistant. The Google TV models also offer smart home control integration. The remote is a premium solar powered design. Verdict. The Hisense Canvas TV 2025 is a compelling option for those who prioritize design and a TV that blends into their living space. Its anti-glare screen and art mode are highly effective and offer a great value proposition compared to more expensive alternatives. However, if your primary concern is high-end picture quality, particularly for HDR content and dark room viewing, the Canvas TV may not be the best choice. Its limitations in black levels and contrast are a significant drawback for serious movie enthusiasts.